The United States has revoked the visas of Daryl Vaz and Phillip Paulwell.
No surprise to me. Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The United States visa of Daryl Vaz, the minister without portfolio, in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, in the Office of the Prime Minister, and the Kingston Eastern and Port Royal Member of Parliament, Phillip Paulwell, has been cancelled. Vaz confirmed the revocation on Friday morning. The minister said he was notified of the cancellation in the past week, adding that, as usual, he is 100% upfront whether it is good news or bad news. Vaz indicated that he is now actively trying to ascertain the reasons his visa was revoked. As long as I see that I may be ineligible, I need to get the clarification, and that is what I am pursuing, said Vaz. He stated that if he is unsuccessful in having his visa restored, he will resign from the cabinet, as he would not be able to carry out his ministerial functions. He has also shared correspondence from the US Embassy, which informed him that subsequent to the visa issuance, information has come to light that you may be ineligible for a visa. If you would like to travel to the United States, you must reapply. However, the visas of the members of Vaz's family remains intact. Vaz famously renounced his United States citizenship in 2008 after his election to the House of Representatives in 2007 was deemed ineligible by virtue of his dual citizenship. The latest development marks the second time in 8 years that a minister in the Jamaica Labour Party government has had his US visa cancelled. In May of 2011, then Energy Minister James Robertson admitted that his visa and that of his wife Charlene were revoked. Meanwhile, in a statement this afternoon, Phillip Paulwell, who is in Cuba, says no reasons were provided for the revocation. He says he was advised that if he intends to travel to the United States, he would need to reapply for a US visa. The opposition spokesperson on energy says on his return to Jamaica next week, he will be in touch with the US Embassy to seek further clarity on the revocation and use the necessary channels to seek redress. It has also been revealed that several members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force have also had their US visas cancelled. As usual, the US Embassy does not comment on individual cases, so no reasons have been given for the revocation in any of the cases.
Teach them! Hey, yo, send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.